Unless you live under a rock, you've probably heard about Sui. It's been going pretty much parabolic in the last couple months. I think it's up about 230%. We'll look at the chart after this. But I do want to address this article and what I see moving forward for Sui. Talking about where we could potentially sell off to if we wanted to see a market pullback, and where would be ideal areas for retracement and for buying opportunities for buying the dip, for example, moving into the next super cycle, or should I say the super cycle. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ. I'm the founder of EPIQ Trading Floor, and I've taught over 1,000 people how to trade since 2021. Now, obviously, this is not the best thing to see. They have allegations going on currently about insider trading. And they're reporting that there's about $400 million worth of Sui that's already been sold off from this insider wallet. Now, it's ironic because there was another article that came out about the FBI essentially creating a crypto project to try to catch some of these people who were manipulating price and basically taking advantage of traders. I think there was over 17 people that got arrested for this too. Now, obviously, Sui's trying to cover this, which is a good thing for them. Who knows if it's actually insider trading? There's no way to know. This is all hypothetical right now and what ifs. So with that in mind, let's take a look at Sui. And as I was talking about before, this is overbought at the moment. We'll take a price range tool from the bottom to the top, and we can see it's gone up about 217%. Now currently sitting up about 175%, only 175. Now, what I'm looking for personally is for this support to finally break. Now, that doesn't mean that there's still not one more opportunity for this to swing up and test topside, maybe even create a higher high, create a regular bearish divergence, and then swing back down. But I wouldn't be looking to enter shorts, for example, until we broke this trend line. And from a downside perspective, if we were to break from current price, for example, you're looking at about a 40% drop to the 6180 and about a 50% drop to the 7860. This little golden zone I have here would be my ideal loading zone. So basically anything under $1.20, I would be considering a great buying opportunity for Sui. Now keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. This is all for educational and informational purposes, and really just what I'm seeing on the charts and the information that I'm able to infer from what I've learned from being a trader over the last 14 years. But if I was to see Sui take a nice little retracement down here and get into this epic golden pocket, I would be very, very bullish long term, because that would mean that we could theoretically swing up to take profit 3 in one strong Fibonacci move. Now from the golden pocket to the take profit 3 would be about 183%. And then once you actually go into price discovery mode, really what it comes down to is the total market cap that Sui can get. And right now the market cap for Sui is at 5.6 billion. It is pretty high. It's relatively high, and that's why I would want to see a pullback to the 7860. As you remember, that was going to be like a 40 to 50% pullback. That would shave this down to about a $3 billion market cap and give you way more room for growth. If, for example, if someone was able to get in at a $3 billion market cap and Sui ends up pushing to a $15 billion market cap, that's going to be a 5x move for you. It would basically put Sui in the $5 to $6 range. And I would say that's a realistic growth expectation for a project like this. Obviously, who knows how parabolic the market can get. And if this wants to push into the top 10, for example, that estimated market cap that I was just talking about at current market cap rates is going to put it just in that zone of the top 10 projects. If you want to learn how to trade, or you want to come trade with me, get access to buy and sell signals, my academy, all that type of stuff, you can check out the EPIQ Trading Floor. That does come with a 3-day free trial. And that would also give you access to the iOS and Android app, so you can use all the services directly on the phone, get notifications directly to your phone, so on and so forth. This is going to wrap up this video on Sui. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. I hope you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on whenever you're tuning in the world, and I'll see you in the next video.